Hey there, friends. Today, I'm excited to take you through the process of deep cleaning a Mercedes work van. This vehicle has clearly seen better days and hasn't been detailed in a long time, but the owner decided it was finally time for a makeover. I'm starting off by tackling the door sills with some shampoo to loosen the grime. Using a brush helps with the initial scrubbing, and for that extra kick, I pull out my drill with a special brush attachment. It's a game changer. Once I've done that, I go over everything with a steam cleaner, and trust me, the before and after results are pretty remarkable. Next up is the driver's door. You wouldn't believe how much dirt is trapped in the plastic pores. There are oil stains, grease, coffee spills, and who knows what else. This door definitely needs some serious attention. So, I follow the same meticulous process as I did with the door sills. I really want to emphasize how detail-oriented I am in this process. This video is edited, but in reality, I spent around 8 hours cleaning this work van, and I want you to see that commitment to quality. Now let's move on to the seats. Just take a look at the thick layer of dust settled in them. I really put in the effort here, using a special compressed air tool called the Tornador to blow out all the dust before I get to washing them. Normally, I start with the seats so they have ample time to dry, but this time, I did things a bit differently. After cleaning the seats, I decided to tackle the dirtiest area in any vehicle, the driver's side. It's always the worst. Next, I let my creativity flow and edited the cleaning process along with the exterior wash, all set to some relaxing music. I'd love for you to share your thoughts on my creativity in the comments. And finally, we get to see the incredible results of the washing and detailing. I was so wiped out from the whole process that I ended up only taking pictures and completely forgot to film a video of the final product. Thank you for your support, everyone. Wishing you all the best.